I'm Rick Andersen. I'm the controller at Aries Industries.
I'm Mike Wazneski. I'm senior accountant at Aries Industries.
At Aries Industries, we manufacture sewer inspection and rehabilitation equipment. These are robotic-operated tractors that go down sanitary and stormwater sewer lines to inspect the condition of the pipe, bring back video feedback to an operator above ground, and then also rehabilitation equipment that can be used to repair those pipes when they have damage or failure within them. Epicor is an integral part of what we do in payables, receivables, general ledger reporting, inventory management. Working with 2W, there's no way we could do it without 2W, quite honestly. It requires a level of expertise that we don't have in-house. Mike obviously is, as I've said before, he's our subject matter expert here. He is invaluable to me and to Aries in terms of his ability to interpret, interface with 2W, interpret Epicor, the challenges we have, and work through those challenges in many cases. We couldn't do it without a support provider like 2W. We just recently completed a business process review, which was utilizing a consultant from 2W coming in to evaluate how we use Epicor today and recommendations on how we should be using Epicor going forward. Fundamentally, the results of that were that we need more training. And so we are about to embark on a 12-week training program. There will be a project manager, of course, from 2W who administers or monitors that process. But the intent of that would be to improve our operations basically from, call it cradle to grave, right? From order entry to cash application, to improve our process, to make us more efficient, more accurate, be able to avoid things like out-of-stock situations, which quite honestly can slow us down considerably. Those also put into jeopardy our customer experience. So, out-of-stock situations are one of those things that we really want to avoid. It's about having the right product on the shelf when we need it.
Throughout my time here with Aries, I've hit points where I did not know how to utilize the system, or something went wrong and it needed to fix. 2W has been there to provide me with answers. They have walked me through processes. They were an integral part of setting up our scanning system by walking us through the process of developing the software on the scanners. They have walked me through implementing new processes for tracking our inventory and creating reports.
We implemented Power BI probably 4 or 5 years ago now, and we use it to collect all the information within Epicor and bring it into more usable, informative reports. We use it for production efficiency, we use it for order monitoring and sales. So virtually all of our functional areas, sales, production, accounting, are using some aspect of PBI.
Each department is made aware of this live data through screens that deliver the most recent information so that they can understand where their department currently is at. Along with this, these screens can be used to show which jobs are upcoming and need to be picked.
We couldn't do it without 2W.